Good afternoon, distinguished members of the MIT Zaragoza Logistics Center. Dear professors, dear postgraduates, dear graduates. This is a super exciting time and moment for you. Many congratulations for finishing your degree at the ZLC and moving on to a new stage in your personal life. It is especially remarkable that you completed the course despite all disruptions through the pandemic time. Spain in particular didn't face an easy life last year, and I can imagine the disruptions you were faced with during your studies. Here, I'd like to recognize also your professors, teachers, and the administrative staff for keeping the university going. I'm happy and honored to be here today and celebrate this moment with you. There are 3 points I'd like to talk to you about today. Some of my learnings over the years, insights on your current industry, and some requirements or outlooks for the future. Personally, I graduated as a mechanical engineer at the Technical University of Munich. Unlike many of my fellow students, I didn't join the automotive industry, but decided to start in the FMCG business, where I stayed my entire career. I joined as a graduate trainee and remained post that program my full career in supply chain roles. In supply chain, I truly enjoy the value creation, the fast-changing environment, the global movement of goods, the complexity, and most importantly, the people you work with. During my career, I faced heavy restructuring, but as well tremendous growth across different businesses. Looking backwards, I realize there are 2 fundamental success factors which made a sustained difference to performance. It's about the quality of your proposition or goods and the quality of the talent and people working with you. Both are closely linked together. Best people want to create best products, and best products will succeed better in the marketplace. This is even more important in our environment, as many companies share the same systems or tools, and the only differentiating factor are people. Key here is to develop and foster talent well and diverse. Now, our supply chains have turned upside down over the last 2 years. Not only the impact of the pandemic situation, but as well drivers like digitalization and the need of sustainable measures. This was overlaid with geopolitical challenges and operational constraints like the container shortage. Businesses have responded fast in accelerating their digital transformation, enhancing the resilience of the supply chain, reducing operational complexity, and building better or stronger operational muscles. With those measures, there is one clear winner coming out of the last 2 years. Combined with the growth of B2C businesses, logistics is becoming a forefront in everybody's supply chain. It has moved from just shipping, transport, or warehousing to a value creator in the supply chain. It's not anymore about lowest costs, but about the value the operation can generate. The profession is more and more recognized as ultra critical to any value creation businesses, and talents are becoming scarce. We see high demand of logistic talents, especially combined with digital and global knowledge. So this is good news for you. Your profession requires a unique set of capabilities like complex problem solving, the management of real-time ambiguity, or high mental agility. In future, this will continue. Supply chains are going through major transformations. We sometimes can't keep up with changes enabled by new systems or platforms. However, some elements are for certain. The supply chain will become real time, and it will be less of a chain, more a cube of supply opportunities. It will also incorporate large amounts of resilience measures as the world around us is becoming more and more unpredictable. This will require for you to invest much time in developing further. Digital capabilities, especially in the logistics area, will determine success for a provider. Much of the work will be automated, planning will become cognitive, and digital platforms will decide the logistics management. The skills required are best possible integration into the value chain of any company you serve, and the value you will generate for this company. The great news for all of you is to migrate now into an industry which is at the forefront of many businesses, and skills and capabilities will make a difference. Again, many congratulations to your master's degree and PhDs. I wish you a wonderful ceremony today and much success in your future career. Thank you and stay healthy.